Okay, we're going to quickly go over the second example. So we have a scatter plot here, the line of best fit. This time the slope is positive, and we have our equation here. We can see from the equation the slope is 0.21 and the y-intercept is 0.37. Okay, so let's first describe the general trend that we notice in the line of best fit. So overall, paying attention to the units, as the number of oranges increases from left to right, the weight of the box also increases, which is what's creating this positive slope. Makes sense. As you put more oranges, the box is going to get heavier and heavier. Okay, so the y-intercept is the constant, 0.37. 0.37 below 1 over here where the graph intersects the y-axis. And that's going to be the initial value. So it's going to be the weight of the box when there are 0 oranges. And then the slope is 0.21. Which represents the weight. The slope is always going to be some sort of change. Actually, let me just go up here. So the y-intercept always represents some initial value, and the slope represents some type of change. So it's going to be the weight of each additional orange. Some type of change. Okay. So that is the second example. Now you're going to try a practice question on your own that's similar to your CFU question for algebra this week. And then we'll go over that question as well.